Good day. Today we're going to practice in this video the sound of ka. Repeat after me. Ka, 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 ka in key. Again, key. Keep, again, keep. Keyboard, again, keyboard. Kilo, again, kilo. Kind, again, kind. Kite, again, kite. Kitten, again, kitten. Kettle, again, kettle. King, again, king. What other words have initial sound ka? Ka in pocket. Again, pocket. Sky, again, sky. Napkin, again, napkin. Broken, again, broken. Turkey, again, turkey. Jacket, again, jacket. Bike, again, bike. Speaker, again, speaker. Baker, again, baker. What other words have middle sound ka? Ka in break. Again, break. Clock, again, clock. Milk, again, milk. Look, again, look. Lock, again, lock. Black, again, black. Brick, again, brick. Cook, again, cook. Crock, again, crock. What other words have final sound ka? Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Black kite. Again, black kite. Baker's cookies. Again, baker's cookies. Peacock and turtle. Again, peacock and turtle. Drinking milk. Again, drinking milk. Kind king. Again, kind king. Now, let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? Kenny thinks milk is gross. Again, Kenny thinks milk is gross. The pumpkin is on the rock. Again, the pumpkin is on the rock. The king is very kind. Again, the king is very kind. The baker baked some cookies and cakes. Again, the baker baked some cookies and cakes. The speaker breaks the silence. Again, the speaker breaks the silence. In this video, we just practice the sound ka. Repeat after me. Ka. 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 I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.